Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Code with KK. So everyone is asking me to write coding in Android phone, so I do this video for that itself. So I am going to code Python in my Android mobile. If you are coder, don't addict to this. Use laptop. It is better than Android. So today I am going to show you how to code in Android phone using the app called QPython 3L and also another app called Python 3L. So Python PyDroid 3. So download. I suggest to download PyDroid 3 rather than that. It is also okay, but it require lot more knowledge to work. Okay. So after downloading this two, I will now open PyDroid 3. So it is installing Python. So after installing, this is the sheet where you can write. So I will write print. The problem is it is very difficult to type here in computer. Okay, now so hello, see it's come here, so it is working. So it is not used for a coding or like high class coding, means more time. It is just to if you say you are traveling anywhere, or you don't want to open your laptop and do coding, you can write in this mobile. So at that time you can just open your Android phone and type whatever. If you have doubt in that if I do this coding what will happen, so you don't want to open a laptop and see, you can directly write here. This is I will suggest for that, rather than you if you want to code in Android phone completely, right? It is very difficult to code completely. So writing all the stuff, it will also take time. See, if I write in laptop it will be very fast, but in Android it will be very difficult. So there are some pip also you can install it. Some are blocked because of they you should install premium version, so you can install others. Okay, so there are some pip and all other facilities are there. So this is the one app that I will suggest, and the next app that is QPython 3L. In this you can see options. So now I will type here print hello. So hello. So when I write print hello on this phone, it will come print hello in the next line itself. So if you print above, it will come below. So there are many such applications in this app than that one, the PyDroid. So I will think it has more complex app than that. But also if you are using Android mobile for coding, you can use this. But as you can say that laptop is better than coding, right? So you can use laptop than Android, right? If you are reading your notes and suddenly remember, what should I happen if I write this code, then if you don't want to open laptop and see in just Android phone, so you can just open the Android and write whatever the code that the stuff that is, and enter and see what happens, right? In this way this app is helpful for you. And when you are standing anywhere, the peoples are surrounding you, even you don't want to open laptop and typing there, so you can use this Android as substitution of the laptop. So now I will see some of the new options are there in this app, so that it totally depends on you which app do you choose. That's all in this video. Thank you, and like and subscribe.